Welcome to Laguna Eye Capitals segment on simple investing tips, the basics of the stock market. We will eventually release a course to teach you a way more in-depth analysis on how to trade in the stock market. But for now, the stock market is the largest conglomerate that made America America and is just money making money. That's all it is. It's about investing based off of technical, fundamental, and intrinsic value, aka how you decide to invest within the markets. Are you looking at charts? Are you looking at understanding concepts and ideas? Or maybe you're just trying to find a discount within the stock and see a trend based on the graphs. Make the choices yourself. Never listen to anybody else about your investments. Maybe listen to them in the idea, but do the research yourself. Paper trading, the key to success in keeping your capital. So, learn how to read the chart, study how things work, and how to make fake money until you're comfortable enough to really invest and set your own money aside and have it work for you. So, paper trading is what we recommend for us, and Webull, one of the great technology applications that are out there, offers the vital software to assist and to trade as well as paper trade within platforms. Invest in Webull with our link and be amazed with free stocks and an unbeatable platform to invest or trade. You will need to select stocks that you believe in, that you can understand. Select stocks that you know. Select stocks that you don't hear about unless you have formed a personal decision on those. There are many stock applications that are out there. Big banks offer their own personal ones, and there's Webull, which we recommend. Robinhood, which is going through a lot right now due to the GameStop and AMC trades. There's TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, F1 Finance. There's multiple other ones, but what matters is really understanding what platform works best for you and that you're understanding your investments, not hearing somebody else say something. Take up on the promotional offers that are offered by these free stocks. Some are deposit $100 and get 4 free stocks. Some are deposit $1 and get 1 stock. Whatever the situation is, always take advantage because it's free money at the end of the day. With opening new brokerage accounts, others offer if you deposit $10,000, they'll give you a promotional offer of $100. Whatever the situation is, take advantage of it. And we recommend Webull as the key one. So, mindset is key. That's what you really need to understand, how important mindset is. The best mindset is to understand that all investments that you'll make, you will lose it all. And that will be key to moving forward in your investment in the stock market. You won't be stressed out about investments. You won't be overthinking or underthinking or spending multiple hours a day Googling and researching stocks, whatever it is. Just understanding that all of your investments will equal 0 and you'll be beyond happy when you have an investment that reaches the moon, as they say in Robinhood, Wall Street Bets. Be consistent with your investments. Do the research. Average up. Don't jump into things immediately. If you have $100, don't throw $100 in. Split it up into 25% increments. $25 here, $25 there, $25 here, and watch your money work for you. Next, you want to diversify your portfolio. What does that mean? Well, don't just throw everything into Apple or throw everything into Tesla or whatever that situation is. What you should do is you should throw 1 stock of Apple, 1 stock of Tesla, 1 food company, Coca-Cola. You want to diversify, have a well-rounded portfolio, and they call it the rule of 40. And that is that you should have 40 stocks with a well-established portfolio in different industries, because maybe one day technology goes down, but energy and resources go up. So you can offset the losses or even increase your gains depending on where you're at. And we recommend paper trading 4 weeks, if not a year. Hopefully, you're able to feel confident with what you're doing, and that's when you should officially invest your capital. Have a grasp of what you're doing, how you're doing it, and how to move forward. And once you really understand and are able to move forward, you're going to conquer the world in the stock market. You're going to make immense amounts of capital. So, next, with investments comes making money or losing money. But hopefully you'll be making money. And if you make money, the government wants a little slice. So we're going to go into the tax ramifications. Capital gains, short term versus long term. Long term, capital gains means that you have an investment longer than 1 year and you are taxed at a much lower rate, either 0%, 15%, 20% rates, depending on where your income stands. Short-term capital gains are when you hold an investment for 1 year or less. Your tax bracket rate is what it's taxed at. And keep in mind now, you only get taxed when you sell your investments. So, what does that mean? You hold on to an investment for multiple years. Hopefully, you're going to lower your tax bracket eventually. If not, then we would recommend jumping in and selling your investments. And as Jim Cramer always says, what you see on a computer isn't true until you sell. Once you have that amount of capital in your bank account or in your brokerage account, that's when you know you made that money. Tesla might go up 1,000%, but if you don't sell and you wait a little bit longer, it might be 800%. So always remember too, don't be greedy when it comes to investing. Take your profits and walk away. The rate of return in investments. Rate of return equation, or the ROAR as I call it, is your sold investment minus the original price on the investment divided by the original price on the investment. And this will be what your rate of return is. If you're averaging up, this should be an average price. The average price on the investment. The average price on the investment and the sold investment should be that. Let's say that you sold the investment for a whopping $11 minus the price that you paid of $10 would equal 1 divided by 10. You just made 10% on your investment. Congratulations. Now, I hope that you'll open up the stock market course that Laguna Eye Captial offers so that if you decide to go further into stocks, you can have a well broken down understanding of how stocks work, how to invest, how to read charts, and many more different opportunities that can come with that. Thank you very much, and we hope that you end every day, every week, every month, every quarter, and every year on a green note in the stock market or in your investing opportunities.